What's going on YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we don't have anything really planned much, but I picked up some parts from Nissan. This is a PCV valve which has been much needed. I was supposed to do it pretty much as soon as I got the car, and we're going to explain what exactly this small little easy install can help do to my car. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you like this video if you enjoy it at the end of the video. I would really appreciate it if you do. And also hit your notification button, as well as putting for all instead of personalized, so you see when I post next. Back to the PCV valve. So this thing is pretty much called a PCV valve. It helps control the blow-by of oil going throughout the motor. And when these guys go bad, you get it going. You end up having a lot of blow-by, which pretty much causes another issue, correlating issue with the oil being burnt in a VQ35DE, especially in a rev-up. So I'm trying to conserve more oil now. The car is aging a little bit on mileage. It's at about 148. I do tend to build the motor in the near future. So hey, why not go ahead and upgrade this piece right now, and we'll see how that goes. And I'll let you guys know in the next video or so, or whenever I get some miles on this car, how good of a oil saver this is. We're gonna go ahead and hit get the Terrence's shop, install this bad boy right here. Shouldn't take us that long, no longer than 10 minutes. After we do that, I have an engine cover that has been long needing to be replaced. My old one was cracked since I've gotten the car. I'm pretty sure it was from the accident, and it chipped off a little bit more. Now it's kind of unsightly to look at, so I have one at the shop waiting for me. All right, go ahead and start this car up. Also forgot to mention a couple things that I did off camera. I did change out my boot. Pretty nice right here. Turn that off. I don't know, is there something else that you guys are missing that I didn't do? Oh, also there's a diffuser install. I didn't make that a video on my YouTube. I decided to take the time off of YouTube for a little bit to get adjusted to my new school schedule. And if you want to see that install, I'll probably make an Instagram reel with all the clips I have, but I won't post it here. So if you don't have me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. It is at JDMNEDU, the same as the YouTube name. But let's go ahead, get started, get this car done. I have homework, a lot of it too. It's kind of sad. I don't know about y'all, but man, every time I get in this car, I don't know, I just love it. It's so nice to drive. But for other YouTubers out here that record while they're driving, how y'all do it? Man, this feels so stressful. Like, other than having a GoPro, this right here, this ain't it for me. I might be able to do like a pull, but in one gear, I might rip my clutch. Oh, very nice, very nice, very nice attempt. Alright, the car is inside the shop now, and I'm pretty much going to show you where the PCV valve is located. Pretty much all you have to really do is get the pliers to remove this hose, and then you probably use an adjustable wrench to take the screws off the PCV valve, and then just replace it and do the steps in reverse. And that's about it. Alright, here go the, hope it focuses, the old one over here, and then you can clearly tell which one is the new one. They don't really look that much different inside and out, but I mean, I guess they say they get worn out at 100K something miles. So we're replacing it anyways. It was only 26 bucks. It's really easy to do. It's self-explanatory. So yeah, we're gonna change this out, put that one in, then we're gonna talk to Rick over there and get the cover going. So yeah, I only got 4 minutes left on this car, so let's finish this up. Alright, so next thing we gotta do is replace this fat belly right here. It's really not that hard. There's one screw here, one screw there, one screw up there, and one screw up there. Then I think the hardest thing will be to move this Nissan logo to the new one right here that isn't cracked, as you can see, onto this. But it should be a solid and easy job. Also forgot to note that you do have to take off the strut brace, which is 4 extra little bolty bolts. So pretty much done now, as you can see. New one on. No more crack all the way around. Very nice. Alright, car is done. Getting ready to go ahead and pull it out. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this short little montage / clip. Wanted to update you guys on some things on the Z, so yeah. I'm sure go ahead and show you guys the diffuser in just a second. First start. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like with the diffuser. Whole tour of the entire car. Hope you guys enjoyed this classic. But yeah, car's starting to look really nice all together. I didn't want to mention this in or make a video about this actually, about we getting the diffuser, because I felt like I need to take a break to just finish the install, and I had a lot of projects going on. But so far, this is what the car looks like. Looking really nice. Starting to look put together. Starting to look like the Z that I envisioned when I bought this car 3 years ago, or 4 now. But yeah, really enjoying it. What do you guys think? Alright, thanks you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end. Come and